One of the most common questions I get asked as a coach is what is the difference between fundamental analysis and technical analysis? So there is a big difference, and I'll just mention three differences between fundamental analysis and technical analysis. The first being, in fundamental analysis, you check the health of the company, okay, and in technical analysis, you check the perception of the company. Okay, the second difference is that in fundamental analysis, that tells you which stock to buy, okay, and in technical analysis, it tells you when to buy the stock, okay. And the third difference is that in fundamental analysis you have a long-term view, but in technical analysis you have a short-term view, okay. So without looking at technical charts, you could buy at the highest or the top range, okay. You need both fundamentals and technical analysis to ensure that the stock won't crash, and technicals together ensure that you are buying near the bottom of the range. Okay, I hope that answers that question. Thank you for watching, and please do share this video and follow me for more videos like this. Stay tuned for my next video.